If you want to find out how you can profit with your own Amazon affiliate sites promoting weird and ridiculous products that nobody seems to buy, make sure to watch this short video. You'll learn why this works and how to build these sites fast. And you won't even have to write any content or worry about Google rankings or SEO ever again. So you're probably thinking, wait, how can you profit from Amazon if nobody's buying the products that you're promoting? The short answer is, it's all in their affiliate program agreement. Amazon pays commission to all affiliate sales made within 24 hours after somebody clicks your link. Even if a visitor doesn't buy the product they clicked, in other words, they can be reading your product review about a Dyson vacuum, but if they click your affiliate link and later decide to buy a Roomba, you're still getting paid commission from that purchase. As long as it's within 24 hours after the click and your affiliate link brought them to Amazon, you get the affiliate sale. Okay, so it's a 24-hour affiliate referral window. Fine. But why would you want to promote products that nobody buys? Well, it's not just any products. There are thousands of items on Amazon that are new, original, or have something unusual about them. When people see a novelty product like that, it makes them laugh or they feel curious and they click on it. And because you don't see such things every day, people love to share them with their friends and family, which means a word about these products spreads like wildfire. I bet you figured it out by now. We're not trying to sell anything on our novelty sites. All we care about is getting viral traffic to our product pages and sending people to Amazon through our affiliate links. Amazon will do what it does best, and that's turning visitors into buyers while paying you affiliate commission on every purchase. It's very easy to get these stores started because the products get viral traffic on their own. That means that you don't ever have to manually write any articles. You don't need to search for any content like images or videos. You don't even need to do any SEO work because people will do all the sharing on their own. You just have to set up your site one time and you don't ever have to touch it again. Let me show you how it works. First, you choose what you want your site to be about. Inside the members area, we show all the best niches to focus on and teach you how to find the best funny and weird novelty products. Then, using our Chrome extension, add products to your site with just a click of a button. Our browser extension comes included in addition to the WordPress theme and plugin. With the help of this software, you don't need to copy and paste product description, titles, or download product images manually. It all gets imported automatically, and you don't even need access to the Amazon API, which is great news to all new affiliates. After you've added a few novelty products, your site is ready to start getting viral traffic and driving affiliate sales. Make a couple of initial shares on Facebook or Twitter and watch the traffic snowball as people start commenting and sharing on social media sites. And the best part about this software is that you can build multiple sites for different niches and enjoy hassle-free income every month. So if you're new to all this affiliate marketing stuff and you just want to create hassle-free money-making sites quickly, then Novelty Site Builder is for you. And if you think about it, it costs less than most people spend on coffee every month. But it's not going to be priced this low for long. The price goes up every day, and after this launch ends, it will be priced at $97. So, hurry up and lock in your best deal before it's too late. And if you try Novelty Site Builder and need help with something, our dedicated support team will work with you through each step of the site making process until you're comfortable with it and can build your sites fast. Or if you feel like this software is not for you, just send me a quick email within 30 days and I'll refund your entire purchase. No questions asked. The price will be going up without warning, so click the buy button below this video and get your download now.